Hi guys, so I have a little haul for you guys. So it's from Michael's, Ross, and Home Goods. So at Michael's I got 2 Mambi stickers for my planner, and this one is just 4 sheets of stickers, and this one has 6 sheets of stickers. And they look like this. I don't think there's anything on the back to this, no. So that, and then I went to, this is Michael's, and then they had, for their fall decor, they had this little sign that said "Be Full of Joy." It was regular $9.99. I paid $4.99 because it's 50% off. And then I found this little wagon. It's like super duper cute. I don't know what to do with it yet. I'm gonna find something for it. But it's just this little wagon. And it was $12.99, so I paid six something, $6.49 or something. Yeah. So it's just like that. Oh, you guys get the point. And I went to Home Goods. The only thing I bought at Home Goods was this strainer. And it was $5 on clearance. Because I need a strainer. Ross, I picked up some stuff because I'm going to be doing a desk. I'm going to be purchasing a desk for my room. Well, a vanity / desk, because right now my computer is on my freezer. So I purchased this little candle holder because it was super duper cute. It was $6.99. And this little crystal clear thing, this one was $6.99 as well. And it has the lipstick little holders and stuff. And then you have these compartments. It's 2 compartments. And then these 2 right here. So, yeah. That's what it looks like. And next I got these little clear thing to match this for my brushes. So I got this one. And this one was $5.99. And then I got this little round one. And it was $6.99. So, yeah. That's all for my haul. Oh, and I got groceries, but I'm not going to show that. My hair. Yeah, just finished. Yeah. Just finished. See, I leave my edges out because I have the baby lip. So I left them out. I put some of this in there, the Jamaican black castor oil. Put some of that in there. And then I have purple and black. And it's 2 o'clock now, so I'm gonna go to bed. And I started at 6:30. So yeah. I'm gonna go to bed. Yeah. Really nice. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Hello! Well, it's the next morning.
It's the next morning.
I'm slacking with my videos. Next morning. It's the next morning.
And next morning.
Okay, all right. Sit. Sit your tushy. Sit your tushy. Ah, such a brat. Anyways, oh, Gio. Power up. Okay, anyways, yes, last night I was whispering because my husband was, behave. Okay, behave. Alright? Alright, so last night I was whispering And that's because my husband was asleep and he had to get up at 4. And I just finished at 2. So this is what my hair looks like. It's super duper cute. I left my edges out because they broke off from the other braid. The other braid that I did, it broke it off right here. All around my perimeter broke off, and then the sewing that I put in a couple days ago or a week ago, I was so
Hello.
go turn on the TV.
Huh?
I was so naive, and I slapped the glue on top of my hair that was braided inside of here, inside of my braid. I slapped the glue on top of it, and when I went to take it out because it was too tight, thank you, because it was too tight on my head, and if I have anything too tight on my hair, it gets I get really tender-headed and my hair starts to fall out. So I have to be careful. Sit. I have to be careful when I put anything in my hair because ooh, what are you doing? I have to be careful when I put anything in my hair because I get tender-headed and my hair starts to come out. It starts to fall out. Because I have really thin hair and it's so mixed. Like, I have mixed hair. Like, it's so bad. Because my mom is a mixture of black, white, all kind of stuff. And then my dad is half white, 3/4. I don't know because I don't know his people and stuff. Gosh, Gia, I'm not playing with you. So my hair is like weird. So when I put the weave on it, I'm not playing. You're being rude. You're being very rude. You're being rude. What are you showing up for the camera? You showing up for the camera? I'll beat that butt on camera. I'll beat that butt up. Give me that butt. But anyways, Gia, can you be quiet, please? Like I was saying. Shh. Like I was saying. The edges right here, when I went to take the glue off, it was so tight to the braid that I didn't have no other choice but to rip it out. And I ripped out all my edges that was up in here. All of that came out. I ripped out all the edges here, all the edges up in here. I ripped out everything. And my edges are bad. So I'm gonna baby them. Stop the noise, man. Jesus, he's annoying. Anybody want a 3-year-old toddler? Come get him off my hand, because he's so annoying. So, so I have some purple. These are the expression braids. And I love them. I love the expression braids. These are purple and black because I saw Meek Mill something. She had all purple in her hair once. And I went to the store to get purple. And I went, I picked up several packs of purple to do my hair. And